Hello, welcome back again. The Today we solve the 178 question, the rank scores from SQL database series. So what the question asks, there is a table name scores having two column ID and scores, and what the question is asking to find the rank of the scores. The rank should be calculated according to the following rule. Okay, so there are some certain rules. So the first is the rank from the highest to lowest, so they want in descending order. Okay, and if there is a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking. So this is the same scenario like the rank and the dense rank, difference between rank and dense rank. I also create a video for the rank and dense rank. So in rank, like if there is a two values same like 4 and 4, so it gave first for the both the value, but for the next like 3.85, this is the next value after 4, so it gave this as a 3, so it skipped the 2, but they not want to skip. Okay, like next consecutive integer value. So simply we have to apply the dense rank function. So let's see, select score and merge the order, the score in a descending order, so we can do easily. So score comma dense rank over order by score DSC as rank. From this table, from scores. So let's see, this is a simple thing na. We use the dense rank as rank and the score, they want the two column only. Let's see, simple. Now you should understand like the 4 they give the value 1 1, and 3.85 it give 2. There is no skipping for the rank if you use the simple rank here. Okay, it skip the 2 and put the value use as 3. So let's see 1 1 3 4 5, here he skip the 5 and use 6. So that is why we have to use dense rank over the rank function. Okay, so submit this. Perfect. So thank you for the watching video, and stay tuned for the next, and also we continue this series till the database, from the database. Okay, so thank you.